We are in one of the most important factory food industry in the South Tyrol of Italy. This factory is located in this area. It's an historical reason because the product they make here is typical of this area. Recla factory is famous to produce spec.
Today we are the second biggest producer of spec in the world. We produce about 4,000 pieces a day, and we were the first producer that exported to the USA.
The Recla family lives here for more than 400 years, and they decide to invest again in this area and double their factory to increase their production. But there was an energy problem because this area is a weak of energy resources. Practically electrical energy is not so much available here.
The problem here is that we are nearly the only one that uses a lot of energy, and that makes it very, very expensive. So we needed a lot more electrical power, and so the Capstone microturbine is the thing that we really, really needed.
In this location we installed in July 2010 C1000, and at the beginning we start only with the electrical energy production because it was the leakage of electrical energy. After 6 months they complete this plant also with a cogeneration system and producing steam with the steam boiler and also hot water. So practically the system recovers more than 80% of the energy from the natural gas.
Our main energy is consumed by the refrigeration. We are totally using about 4 or 5 megawatts of electrical power and 3 megawatts in refrigeration. We are using the heat for cleaning and also the steam for cooking other products than spec.
And in terms of energy saving, this system is able to save around 350 TOE equivalent ton of oil, and they save around 1,000 tons of CO2 per year.
Personally, I like the turbines because I'm responsible for the maintenance, and the turbine gives me a lot of work, and that's perfect for me. We are very satisfied with the turbine, and we're happy that we have installed Capstone C1000.